Let me ask you something. You're sitting at a red light. A brand new luxury SUV pulls up next to you. Leather seats, giant screen, blacked out rims, and for just a second, you feel it. That little sting. I wish that were me. I get it. I've been there. But here's what nobody tells you about that car. There's a very good chance the person driving it is quietly drowning in debt. Because the car industry has spent billions teaching you to ask the wrong question. Not how much does this car cost, but can I afford the monthly payment? In that one mental shift, it could be costing you over $1 million. Stay with me. By the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this trap works, why your car might be the single biggest thing killing your wealth, and the 3-step playbook to break free from it for good. Here's how it starts. You walk into a dealership. You've got your eye on a $49,000 SUV. The finance manager smiles, slides a paper across the table, and says, "Great news, we can get you into this for just $767 a month." $767. Sounds manageable, right? That's just skipping a few dinners out. That's nothing. Except it's not nothing, because that number is attached to a 7-year loan. 7 years. Just to put that in perspective, the average American marriage lasts about 8 years. You'll almost finish paying off your car before most marriages end. And here's the stat that should make your jaw drop. 86% of luxury vehicles on the road are driven by people who are not millionaires. They're regular people stretching a regular income trying to look like they've made it. That's not success. It's a costume. Now let's talk about the math, because this is where it really starts to hurt. The second you drive a brand new car off the lot, it loses roughly 20% of its value. Not next year, that day. Drive it home, park it in your driveway, and it's already worth thousands less than what you paid. By year 3, it's worth about 40% less. So you bought a $49,000 car, and 3 years later, it's worth maybe $29,000, but you still owe close to $40,000 on it. That's called being underwater. And right now, nearly 1 in 3 Americans who trade in their car are in exactly that position. So what do most people do? They roll that negative balance into their next loan. They don't escape the debt, they just carry it forward into a fresh 7-year commitment on a newer car they also can't afford. It stops being a car purchase, it becomes a subscription to permanent debt. Now here's the part I really want you to sit with, because it's not about the $700 you're spending, it's about what that $700 could have become. If you took that same car payment, $700 a month, and instead put it into a basic S&P 500 index fund at historical average returns, after 30 years, you would have $1.5 million. $1,580,000 from skipping the car payment. Every time you sign a new lease or roll into another loan, you're not just buying transportation, you are making a choice, and the cost of that choice over a lifetime is a 7-figure retirement. That new car smell, it might be the most expensive fragrance in the world. So what do people who actually have money do differently? The #1 car brand among American millionaires is not BMW, it's not Mercedes, it's Toyota. Number 2 is Honda. Boring, reliable, paid-off Toyotas and Hondas. Because truly wealthy people understand something the car industry doesn't want you to know. A car is a tool, not a trophy. When a millionaire shrugs at a red light next to a shiny new SUV, that shrug is freedom. They're not trying to impress strangers. They're busy buying back their time. All right, so how do you actually break this cycle? 3 steps. Step 1, the 3-year rule. Buy a car that's 2 to 3 years old. Let someone else absorb that brutal first wave of depreciation. We're talking $15,000 to $18,000 gone, while you get the same features and the same tech for a fraction of the price. Step 2, the 10-year rule. Once that car is paid off, keep it. Modern cars easily hit 200,000 miles. Every year you drive without a payment is a year you're paying your future self instead of a bank's profit. Step 3, automate the difference. The month your car loan hits 0, don't change your lifestyle. Set up an automatic transfer for that same amount into an investment account. You're already used to living without that money. Now let it start building your future instead of a bank's profit. The system is designed to keep you on the payment treadmill forever. It wants you to feel like you deserve the upgrade, like you've earned it. But you know what you actually deserve? Options, the ability to say no to a job you hate or yes to a dream you've been putting off because you're not chained to a payment every single month. Real wealth is invisible. It's the paid-off Toyota in the driveway and the seven-figure account you don't post about on Instagram. Stop performing wealth. Start building it. If this video opened your eyes, drop a comment below. I read every single one. And if you want to learn more about building real financial freedom, subscribe. There's a lot more coming.